Hi guys, you might have used Microsoft Word for preparing documents and assignments, and you might also know how to use it. So in this video I will be showing 8 hidden features of Microsoft Word. So let's start. The first is Translate. In the Review tab you have given option Translate. Just click on that option and it will open a pop-up in which it will demand a permission. Click on Yes, and in the site a pop-up will be opened and it will translate you to your desired language. If I click on Estonian, the text will be generated, and then I will click on Insert and the text will be inserted automatically. The second feature is Custom Ribbon. If I right click on the blue ribbon, I will be given an option. I will click on New and it will open a new tab, and I will click on All Commands, and then I will search for a command that is shrink page. Also I will be telling you later about that. Now I will insert that in it, and in the new tab I can see that my option will appear. Step number 3, shrink page. You can see that I have 2 pages and I want to get all this text in one page. So I will just click on shrink page and all this text will be on one page. Fourth feature is random text generator. If I click on =rand and then parenthesis and then enter it, I will be given some random text in English. And if I click on =lorem and then parenthesis, I will be also given some random text. So this is another feature. Fifth feature is to take screenshot. In the Insert tab, there is an option given of screenshot. In it, you can randomly get any screenshot from window, or you can also take a snip of window and insert it in the MS Word. So this is good. Step number 6 is select with shape. If I press on Alt and then I click on that text, it will select the text with shape. Instead of if I press it without Alt, it will select it randomly. So this is good when you are selecting text with interface like that. If I press on Alt and then select all the text, it will select me with shape. So this is also a good feature, and you can also try it. The last is spike, cut and paste. If I select some random text and then click on Shift plus F3, I can cut 3 or more text at a time, and then I can paste it in this manner. Look, see, I have pasted. So this is another hidden feature of Microsoft Word. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos and make sure to like the video. Thanks.